Hi all. I put these two tarp together so I could cover up the truck. When you cover up the truck with the tarps, one tarp won't cover the whole truck. So I didn't feel like spending 30 bucks for another tarp. So I just had my mother sew these two together. So she went down it twice. It was real easy to sew. It only took her like 5 minutes to do it. The hard part was dragging the tarp into the house. So I thought I'd put a couple of these things on just for some added strength. I picked this up on sale at Tractor Supply. I got it for like 3 bucks. And so you can see here it's a kit. When you open it up, these things push down. See, you get all the rings, and then you get the tools to put them on. That's the cutter. That cuts the hole. And then you set this on the table and put one of these on top of there. Put the tarp on. Then put one of these on. The side with the edge goes down. So the flat side goes up. You put that on here. And then you use this guy just to flatten it off. Okay, so let's see how this works. So I already have a hole here. This is a $6 tarp. As soon as I took it out of the package, the one ring fell right off. So I'm just going to put one in the same spot. Yeah, sure ain't very sharp. Okay, see if I can find something else to cut through here. Okay, finally got it to cut. And put that down, put this part on top of it like that. Slide it through. Oh, shiny side up, flat side up. Okay, don't cremate it, not necessary. It's all bent up. Okay.